Hello friends, in this video you will find everything about English alphabets like sounds of alphabet, many words related alphabet, strokes of alphabet and many more. How to hold pencil properly and a complete package with alphabet rhyme also. So it's time to start. I'm sure that you will love the video. First of all, tell me that what are letters? Alphabets. See that you see on newspapers, on billboards, on books, on photoshops, on nameplates, and all these letters have a sequence A to Z. See, these are mama letters, capital letters, and these are baby letters, small letters. Now I will show you how to hold pencil properly. See, these are some ways in which students hold pencil which are not proper. And the proper way of holding a pencil is you have to hold a pencil between three fingers, thumb, index finger and middle finger so that it will increase the grip and writing would be proper. So the first letter is A and the sound of A is E. E as in apple, E as in axe, E as in ant, E as in arrow. So now see, I'll tell you how to write letter A. Slant line, another slant line and a sleeping line forms capital A, Mama A, and a small standing line and a big curve forms baby A, small a, and the next letter is B, and the sound of B is B, B as in ball, B as in boy, B as in balloon, B as in butterfly. Now I'll show you how to write letter B. One standing line, a curve and another curve form capital B. And for small b, one standing line and a small curve forms baby B. Okay, now the next letter is C. Sound of C is K. K as in cat, K as in candles, K as in cake, K as in cow, K as in crayons. Now I'll show you how to write letter C. A big curve form Mama C and a small curve form baby C, small c. Next letter is D and sound of D is D. D as in dog, D as in drum, D as in duck, D as in dolphin. Now I'll show you how to write letter D. One standing line and a big curve forms D. And for small d, one standing line and a small curve forms baby D. Next letter is E. Sound of E is E. E as in elephant, E as in envelope, E as in egg. How to write letter E? One big standing line and three small slipping lines forms Mama E. And for small e, a small slipping line and a big curve form small e. Next letter is F. Sound of F is F. F as in fish, F as in fan, F as in fruits, F as in flowers. How to write letter F? One big standing line and two sleeping line upside is Mama F. And for baby F, small curves, one standing line and a small slipping line form baby F. Next letter is G. Sound of G is G. G as in grapes, G as in girl, G as in guitar. Now I'll tell you how to write letter G. A big curve and a small slipping line forms Mama G. And a small curve and a big standing line, a small curve forms Baby G. Next letter is H. Sound of H is H. H as in house, H as in hat, H as in helicopter, H as in hammer. How to write letter H? One standing line, slipping line and standing line is called Mama H. And one standing line, small curve is Baby H. Next one is I. I is having two sounds, E and I. I as in ice cream, I as in iron. E as in ink, E is in igloo. How to write letter I? Small slipping line and one standing line and small slipping forms Mama I, and for Baby I, small standing line and a dot is Baby I. So we have completed A to I.